Good afternoon, students. Now today I want to say a few words regarding the macro lesson plan, which is related to DLED course. First of all, I want to say a few lines regarding macro lesson plan. For successful and effective teaching, planning is the first and most important step. The teacher should know beforehand what to teach and how to teach. He should have a clear aim of the lesson before him and should plan accordingly. A lesson plan is an organized written preparation made by a teacher for teaching any lesson in a single period of 35 to 40 minutes in school. Next is, what are the advantages of planning a lesson? Number one, it keeps the teacher to be systematic and orderly in the treatment of the subject matter. Number two, the teacher proceeds with some definite aims and is conscious of the interest, attitude, etc. That is, he or she has to develop in the students through certain activities of some other means. Number three, planning a lesson gives confidence and self-reliance to the teacher, which is of great value for successful teaching. Number four, it saves time in the sense that the students get a better understanding of the subject. Lastly, it encourages the continuity in the teaching process. So, in the conclusion, I will say about the lesson plan, macro lesson plan, is that we must require a suitable environment. It should be a psychological teaching, a preparation of teaching learning material, limitation of subject matter, use of theoretical knowledge in teaching based on previous knowledge, means for developing teaching skills, orderliness and development in thinking, teaching with confidence, evaluation possible, discipline on the class, economy of energy and time. Thank you.